here in Folsom, California today, where we have just installed 3 Norman shades over a sliding glass door. You're gonna notice that these shades do have a common balance, which sort of brings the shades together and makes them look really finished and nice for a large space. This particular door we've done, this is like a double door. So what we've done is a larger piece in the center and then 2 separate operating shades on each side. What's specifically different about this shade that I wanted to show you guys today is we have done the new Norman autowand. Autowand is a form of motorization, but it's a little bit more affordable and a little bit more streamlined for people to use. So basically what it is you're going to have a wand on either side of the shade like this. There's just 3 buttons on this wand: up, down, and stop. So basically just gonna show you how this works. Pushing it up right now. Each of these shades will operate separately. This does not have the capability to operate together, but if there's a different use for this than standard motorization. And like I said, this is going to be a lot more affordable. The cost of the auto wand compared to regular motorization is going to be maybe half to a third of the price, so you're saving a lot of money. But this is ideal for areas where we don't need a lot of high-tech motorization, but ultimately we just are going to have some kind of difficulty reaching the shade, whether that means going all the way to the bottom is difficult for somebody to get to and lift it up, or there's possibly a piece of furniture or a tub or something that makes it difficult to access, or you have somebody that is not tall like myself, and that makes it difficult sometimes with manual cordless shades to get to the top. Once it's up, it's kind of difficult to get it down. So this is also a great option for areas like that in your home. Then we're going to push the button down here. It's going to bring the shade down. And again, we can start and stop these shades anywhere we want, and they do have the ability to, they're all working separate. So we could leave this one at this angle if we wanted. We could have this one at a different angle. We could have some of them completely up. These are rechargeable. The nice thing also about these, again, very, very easy to access. These are going to be charged right here at the bottom of the wand. So again, with a traditional motorized shade, the charging port is going to typically be up inside. This is going to be able to be charged right here. So it just makes everything a little bit more accessible and easy for customers. If you're interested in getting an estimate on shades like this, please give us a call or visit our website at blindsofsacramento.com.